Before the first bell rings, before the chalk squeaks across the board, a new class of creators steps up to the plate. Welcome to Brandnoodle U, a place where brands get cooked up fresh and every idea has a seat at the table. Sunrise at Brandnoodle U. Where the steam is hot, the ideas are hotter, and every class comes with a side of sauce. Here, bold brands aren't born, they're cooked up from scratch. And today, class is officially in session. And there he is, our Professor Bento. Quiet, cool, and full of flavor, ready to lead a new generation of bold brands to the next level. Excuse me, sir, pardon me, sir, your hair makes a better door than a window. Where was I? Oh, that's right. Welcome, Brandnewbies. Let's get started. Every great journey begins with a single roll. This cart may creak, but it's carried decades of sauce, stories, and brand wisdom. Don't let the dust fool you. There are lessons to be had. Snack time? I should say not. Those noodles are fuel for the mind. As Bento fires up the reel, it's clear, this isn't your average classroom, and this isn't your average brand lesson. And here it comes, the glow before the glow-up. Pay close attention, brand newbies. Pay close attention. Indeed.
Brandnoodle U presents Brand versus Logo. What is it anyway? A logo is a visual mark, a graphic symbol made of words, images, shapes, or colors. It helps people recognize your brand instantly. Think swooshes, golden arches, bitten apples. But that's just the face. A brand? That's the feeling behind the face. It's your voice, your vibe, your values. How people remember you after the logo disappears. A great brand builds trust. It makes someone choose you again, even when there are other options. So here's the noodle truth. Your logo is your face, but your brand? That's your whole personality. And that, Brandnewbies, is a wrap. Or should we say, a noodle bowl. But please stand by.
Well, that escalated quickly. It appears the reel has, reached the end of its very saucy rope. Our fearless, Professor, cooking up bold brands is hard work after all. Let this be your first lesson, brand newbies. Even the best need a recharge. Class dismissed. See you next time at Brandnoodle U, where we serve sauce for success. But don't you worry, Professor Bento will be back. So until next time, brand newbies, stay saucy.